In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can download and install HandBrake on your Windows PC. So now let's start. We open our browser and we search HandBrake. Download. You can see that it's very simple. And now we hop on the main website here. Look at the URL. Good. So we are using Windows. If you are using Mac, if you are using Linux, you go to any of these sections. So I'm going to download the installer rather. So I'll come here. I'll download this rather. The installer. This rather. Good. And then you see this here, it pops up. So I need to download it. Yeah, the installer is more simpler, so everything is being binded together. So I'll just have to double click and start installing it myself, rather than downloading the zip file and then I'll have to unzip it, extract it and all that. So our download is done. So I'll have to double press to start the install. We are not done with it. After this, we are not done. We'll have to do something next again. So I'll have to enter my PIN. Good. So next install is done. Good. So it's going to appear. They created a shortcut for me, so it's appearing here now. So I'll have to double press. Good. I'll have to download something. Yeah. So I'll tap on this OK here. I'm going to download a .NET file, something like that. Yeah. So mine appeared immediately, but some of you guys would have to download a .NET file. They will say it's an update. You just have to download that. When you download that, it should appear like this. After that, you just come and open HandBrake. It's nothing complicated. It's not using HandBrake here. So after that, you just have to tap on this file here. Yeah. Come to downloads. Let me see if I have a video. Yeah. I have a 256 give you 256 megabytes. So you see the video uploaded here. And then you come to this section. You see it's an MP4. You come to this section, which is video, and you change the frame rate to the same as the source. That's the video you uploaded there. If you want to make some changes on the audios and things, you are done. You tap on start encoding, and you see it start encoding. After that, you get your file. You tap on here. You choose where you want to save your file, your compressed file, maybe download, and then you save it. So that's it on how you install and download HandBrake on your Windows PC and even use it. I've walked you guys through everything you need to know. So yeah, so if you download it and you open it and they are saying you need an update, just download the .NET file. They'll take you to a website, you download it, you are good to go. So that's it for the video. Peace.